Ooh.
I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill or 100 mil.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Mimi. If you're not new here, oh, what it is, oh, what's up? Welcome back to my boos and my booettes, my OGs. Did you make some money? Did you secure the bag? Either way, I am glad to have you guys back. Glad that you made it back to the channel. Glad that you got your post notifications on. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am starting a new series on here called Young, Black, and Bossy. The series is going to be everything business, entrepreneur related. And for those who are new to the channel, I am starting a press-on nail business called Bellatrix Nail & Co. Our launch date is set for November 20th, 2020. I believe on the flyer that I put 12 p.m. that the site will be open, but I'm thinking about pushing it later in the day. So stay tuned for that update. Speaking of updates and announcements, be sure to follow Bellatrix's socials on Facebook and our IG account. I will put the link tree in the description box below. If you're unfamiliar with Linktree, basically it is a system where you could put multiple links basically on one page. So I will have my YouTube linked, the Facebook page linked for Bellatrix, and the IG page link for Bellatrix in the link tree. My personal socials, I always keep those in the description box below as well. What did y'all think about the new intro? Did y'all love it? I love it. I'm so in love with it. I'm gonna leave the graphic designer that I use and her information in the description box as well. If you're feeling the vibes, if you like what you see, if you're feeling me, stay tuned for the video. Also, as you can see right now, this is like my little workspace. Over here, I have my desk. I have like my cosmetic like stuff over there, and then like a random container that I have my makeup, hair products, and like medicines and vitamins in as well. However, I need more space. That's why I decided I'm just gonna take my desk out my room, because I do have another cart coming in that I can put all my inventory and supplies in. With the desk in here, I just don't have enough room. So she has to go. Okay, so let me explain to y'all the Young, Black, and Bossy series. I just wanted to really document my journey, a new entrepreneur and a new businesswoman. And I figured what better way to start from ground zero. And I feel like these type of videos really help aspiring businesses and aspiring entrepreneurs. It can be very overwhelming trying to figure everything out by yourself. So sometimes it's just helpful to look at a video and see somebody else that's doing it, and know that you're not the only one that's struggling trying to get things together. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clear my desk. I have stuff inside the shelves and stuff like that, so I'm going to clear it so it'll be easier to move. So let's get into it. Step one, always stay hydrated.
Gadgets on the beat. It's so cute, y'all. It's a budget binder. It came with 6 envelopes. I got one for vacation, savings, bills, luxuries, self-care, and eating.
I got this from a shop called Brighton on Facebook. I will leave their information in the description box as well. Go get you one, girl. All right, y'all, so I know it's like probably about 5 days later. I'm back with it. Like these faux locks, not faux locks, child, butterfly locks. These are butterfly locks. I did them myself. This is actually my second time attempting butterfly locks. The first time we're not even gonna talk about that. I do like this color and I really like how they came out this time. I finally got the rhythm of how to do them. I like the length. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave these in until probably mid-November, probably like around Thanksgiving. And then I'm gonna take them out, let my hair breathe, and then I'm gonna put some more in. But I'm probably gonna do black, just color black. And let me know if y'all want to see that video, that tutorial on how I do my butterfly locks. A continuation of the first video from like a couple of days ago. Still kind of under construction, but it looks way better than what it did that first day. When I say my room was, it was giving me hoarders. I have way more space to like store my stuff, and yeah, I like it like this. This pink container right here, it has 3 drawers, pull-out drawers, and it is a rolling cart. I got this from TJ Maxx and it was like 30 bucks. This black one right here I got off of Amazon and it was about 40 bucks. The difference between the pink one and the black one is this one has the filing system, so like you could put files on top of here, and I really wanted that so I can like keep everything as far as like my labels, the shipping labels, the business cards, thank you cards, all that. I wanted it to be in its own folder, as organized as possible. I also like this one because it's just the right amount of space for my inventory. I'm not sure if I want to do anything else in this area, simply because I wanted it to be decluttered. That's pretty much the area right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put anything else over there, simply because I like it open like this and it just feels like I have more space. At most I'll get like a foldable table where I can just set up everything when I'm working on nails and stuff like that, and then I can fold it back up when I'm done, put it away, and still have an open area. Before I end out this video, I wanted to remind you guys that launch day is November 20th. I have not settled on a time yet. I think right now I have it at 12 p.m. on the flyer. I'm thinking about changing it later in the day. I'm going to leave a Linktree link in the description box. With that link, you can get to Bellatrix Instagram page and Bellatrix Facebook page, the YouTube page, all of that. Follow all those socials. Those socials I update almost every day. Another thing, please interact with me, y'all. I love talking with y'all on here. I know I always tell y'all to leave a friendly comment in the comment section. Please do, because I love to talk with y'all. I really be wanting to talk to y'all. Like, I really need some more friends, to be honest. Sign up for the email list. The email list is where all the promotions are going to be at. When you click the link to the website page now, it's gonna take you to the page, but I have but the page is inactive right now because I'm still working on it. But you can put in your email and it'll let you know when the site launches, and that signs you up for our newsletter. I'm gonna have another video dropping this week. I have a fun little video coming up. I'm just waiting for some stuff to come in. This video is gonna be a little fun, separate from the Young, Black, and Bossy series. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all are excited about this series just as much as I am. If y'all want to see nail related videos, just let your girl know in the comments and I'll make it happen, period. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Tell your mama, tell your grandmama, tell your cousin, tell your boyfriend, tell your side piece, tell all of them about this page right here, period. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys for the next one.
I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like a